everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. This is from the same room that I've been working in the last 2 or 3 days. Yesterday we had a hole in the wall that we did a demo in that room, and this is another hole in the wall. So we went ahead and took out all these switches, receptacles, and the 2 lights in the ceiling. And then moving on, we went to a new area, not the area that I thought we were going to go to after the first project. This is, we're not doing the second project. We skipped ahead to the third project. Someone else is already working on the second project. So we also went over here and took out we're just been working on the power in here. There was a junction box up there with circuits 16, 18, and 20. As you saw, the doorway was not there earlier today. It was a fully sheetrocked wall with cabinets on the wall. So we took out the receptacles that were there, and then they cut the hole in the wall, and then we cut the wire out, and then we just been working on demoing out all the receptacles in here. Luckily, everything is THHN, so we can just pull that out from box to box, I believe. Some of them are MC'd, and then we went over here. This is circuit 20, so it just basically just shut off this whole side of the wall. 20 in this room, 18 which was by the cabinets where the door is now, and then circuit 16 in, I believe, the bathroom and this room right here. And then we got the wires demoed back to this box, which we thought was a home run box, but some of them may be there, but I think it's actually this box over here, which looks like directly out of the panel with all the other pipes and the pipe run. So we'll open that up tomorrow and then see what we can see. Then there's also some receptacles up here that we have to demo, which I don't even know what those were for, but those are another circuit. So we'll work on that, starting out the day tomorrow probably. And then you got this sick new cart. Actually, this is my original cart that I have been using for like the last 3 months, but we got an armored cart and we got a blueprint cart, or a blueprint tabletop on top of the cart. So we got the blueprint cart, the armored cart, and then I already had my original cart, which is this one. So I morphed all 3 of them together. I took apart the armored cart, put the armor on my cart, and then put the blueprint thing on top of that and screw that down. So now we got this like Megazord contraption cart, and it's sick, and I'm so excited about it. Now I can lock my tools up inside and also lock more stuff up under the blueprints. Other than that, that's all I got for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. It'd really help out the channel. I'd really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And hopefully I'll see you back in the next video. God bless. Peace.